Jim Cramer on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange answering your Twitter questions. Hello, Jim. We've got a question about Kinder Morgan to start. Is it simply investor sentiment, lots of fish in the sea, explaining why this stock continues to fall?
No, there's a big short rate on it. Series of negative articles, all saying that there's real trouble at Kinder. I don't think so. We took a really nice scan at Kinder, and we're trying to get more yield, went to Energy Transfer Partners for action alerts. But there's periodic raids. That's what happens. Rich Kinder's been buying stock. You know, I got to tell you, there is a decline, obviously, in the oil and gas industry in the country. I think Rich will do fine. But I didn't want to sit there and be attacked endlessly by the shorts, which is what happens. It's a raid. That's what goes on. It's a shame.
Jim, how about Disney? Has Star Wars been totally priced into Disney stock?
Well, that's why you have Greece. Greece allows you to buy Star Wars and Shanghai Disney at lower prices. Look, the market's going to go down because of Greece. And that's what you do, is you've just been waiting for that. So when it happens, get ready. You know, I don't know what to say. The great bull market that we've had is all built on macro issues destroying micro stocks. And that's when you buy Disney.
All right, finally, and I know you're eager to talk about Twitter. A lot's been going on. This viewer thinks Twitter is a good buy now. What do you think, especially in light of the news of recent days?
Well, I mean, everyone thinks it's a good buy. I am appalled. I'm appalled because there was an interview with David Faber, my colleague, last week with Dorsey, and it was like, geez, these guys really don't get it at all. It felt very similar to 2012 when Sherry McCoy came in from J&J to go into Avon, and Andrea Young wasn't fired. She had done a terrible job. She was made executive chairman. And the fact is that was the beginning of the end of Avon. So I mean, a new broom is supposed to sweep clean. Costello's got to go. We don't bring back Dorsey. We bring in all new people. Where's Noto? It's not just about the product. You convene heavy users. You convene advertisers. You say, what do you guys want? It's not just about the product. It was an embarrassment. And it was also it was also like year 2000. Having lived through that period and seen the hubris of CEOs, it had that too. It was kind of like, hey, listen, what are you worried about? What are you worried about? Well, you know, everything's great. Well, it's not great. It had a web van feel from 2000, and it had a Twavon, or Twavon, some are saying, which is Avon merged with Twitter. And I just think that, you know, it's like only out there would you ever think that you could get away with whatever you wanted.
Jim Cramer, always good to talk to you. Remember, send your Twitter questions to Jim at #CramerQ. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.